Welcome back. We have our third and final course of our Valentine's Day menu. We have our chocolate angel food cake trifle with fresh strawberries and Bailey's whipped cream. So first we would add the Bailey's whipped cream to our glass. And add a little bit of the chocolate angel food cake. This is a simple recipe that you could do at home. It's also something our residents enjoy very much. And then we have our fresh strawberries that is emancipated in the Grand Marnier, so it gives it that little citrus kind of boost of flavor. And then we're going to top it again with our Bailey's whipped cream. And we are going to garnish it with a strawberry and also some candied ginger. Give it a little height and a little color contrast. So again, thank you. We're glad you were able to join us for our Valentine's Day meal that you can also be done at home. And enjoy. Thank you for visiting us.